This will take your Instagram Reels to the next level using the magic of AI tools. I'm gonna show you an easy free way to create IG Reels with captions using free AI tools. Now is the best time to start posting Reels on IG, as Instagram algorithm has recently started pushing more and more Reels. It is in order to compete with its rivals TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The method I'm teaching in this video doesn't require you to download any sort of AI tools or even a video editor, enabling you to create engaging Reels using online AI tools. At the end, I'll also show you the way to monetize your Instagram account. What you're gonna do first is decide on a niche of your Reels account. I'll suggest you to create is around the evergreen profitable niches, which are health, wealth, or relationships. Go with any of the three as per your interest, and it is guaranteed to make you money. Step 1. Let's open ChatGPT to generate content for the Reels. I'm asking it to generate 5 quotes related to money or entrepreneurship. And here are the results. Alright, I think this one is cool. Money is a tool. Used properly, it makes something beautiful. Used wrong, it makes a mess. I'll use this one in to create a reel. Next, we need some relevant AI images for the quote we've generated. This brings me to the next step of this process. Step 2. Generating AI images for your Reels. Here I want to create Reels in the oil painting style, as it is currently viral on Instagram and there are still very limited accounts posting such Reels. See, this account with just 14 posts is already over 85k followers. For generating such images, I'll use DALL-E AI as it gave me the best results. You can use Midjourney as well. Let's head over straight to DALL-E. I want one picture showing cash, so I'll ask it to generate images for oil painting of money, and it will come up with 4 of them. Let me quickly select and download one. Next, I need a picture of someone rich and successful. I'm writing oil painting of a young rich person with a car, and download it. Similarly, next I'd need an unsuccessful poor person to show in my Reels. Let's download it. Moving to the next step. Step number 3. Creating videos online. Now, I'm gonna use an online AI video editor which will make it super easy to create Reels. The tool is Clipchamp. It is by Microsoft. So, you need a Microsoft or an Outlook account to log into this. I'm already logged in. Please click on Import Media and import all of the 3 pictures we've downloaded from DALL-E. Next, we go straight to its record and create menu, and at the bottom of it click on text-to-speech option. Pasting the quote from chat, select a voice. Eric is the best one for our purpose, as it is the currently viral one on Instagram for many accounts. Save it to media. Let us quickly drag the voiceover and pictures to the timeline. Set the images in sync with the voiceover.
Money is a tool. Used properly, it makes something beautiful. Used wrong, it makes a mess.
Now, we will create captions. Click on the captions option at top right corner, then click on turn on auto captions. Now, it'll automatically generate captions for you. You can set its position, font style, and color. Here's the final result.
Money is a tool. Used properly, it makes something beautiful. Used wrong, it makes a mess.
Currently it is in 1:1 aspect ratio. We need 9:16 for IG Reels, so tap on the aspect ratio option just below export button and change it to 9:16. Adjust your images to fill in.
Money is a tool. Used properly, it makes something beautiful. Used wrong, it makes a mess.
Now, we're ready to export it. Click on Save to your computer and then upload it to Instagram. It is easy to create Reels and upload Reels consistently with this method. It is super easy and does not require you to download those bulky softwares. What next is how to earn from your Instagram account. I'll quickly tell you some ways to do that. Remember, your account will get attention when you post consistently on it and engage with your audience and other accounts in your niche. Try to post at least 1 reel a day. You should look for an option to make money once you hit the 10k follower mark. Here are the ways to monetize. Number 1. Selling your digital product. This one is my favorite one, as it is easy to create a digital product such as an ebook with the help of an AI or a video course. It is a zero investment and almost 100% profits making business. Just create an ebook and start promoting it in your stories and posts. Number 2, affiliate marketing. This method is for you if you don't want to create your own product. All you need to do is find other good selling products in your niche and look if they are offering affiliate programs, or directly ask its creator for affiliate option. Most of the creators offer affiliate options, so it won't be an issue finding such products. Number 3, social media growth services. You can reach out to other creators or brands in your niche, tell them about your account and offer them a growth service package for a fee. I'm not going in depth of any of the monetization method here in this video particularly. I just told them to give you an idea of how to think about monetization, as what is the use of a 100K account if you make $0 out of it. If you found this video valuable, just don't miss to hit the subscribe button to get more such videos.